Hello everyone, I'm Ruchika from Success Series Education and today we'll discuss the current affairs in a quiz format और यहाँ पर हम 1st से 15th अप्रैल के करंट अफेयर्स कवर करेंगे। तो आइए ये क्विज अटेम्प्ट करते हैं और हर क्वेश्चन के साथ ही साथ उसका करेक्ट आंसर भी देखते हैं। Question number 1. The HRD Ministry on April 1 directed the CBSE to promote all students of classes dash to the next class. तो 1 अप्रैल को CBSE ने सारे स्कूल्स को कहा कि वो कौन सी क्लासेस के स्टूडेंट्स को नेक्स्ट क्लास में प्रमोट कर देंगे। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, क्लास 1 to 8. Question number 2. Civil Aviation Ministry launched dash initiative for transporting essential medical supplies across the country amid coronavirus lockdown. तो कोरोना वायरस लॉकडाउन की वजह से सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री ने एक नया इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च किया मेडिकल सप्लाईज ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए। इस इनिशिएटिव का नाम क्या है? आंसर है लाइफलाइन उड़ान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लॉन्च्ड अ ग्लोबल पेंटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन एंटाइटल्ड यूनाइटेड अगेंस्ट कोरोना एक्सप्रेस थ्रू आर्ट इन मार्च 2020। तो इस नाम का पेंटिंग कंपटीशन किसने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है? आंसर है इंडियन काउंसिल फॉर कल्चरल रिलेशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एन इंडियन एयरफोर्स डिलीवर्ड एसेंशियल मेडिसिन्स एंड हॉस्पिटल कंज्यूमेबल्स टू मालदीव्स इन अप्रैल 2020 अंडर विच ऑपरेशन। तो हमें बताना है कि इंडियन एयरफोर्स ने मालदीव्स में मेडिकल एंड हॉस्पिटेबल कंज्यूमेबल्स किस ऑपरेशन के अंडर सप्लाई किए हैं? आंसर है ऑपरेशन संजीवनी। The World Bank on April 2 approved dash emergency financing for India to tackle the coronavirus outbreak. 2 अप्रैल को वर्ल्ड बैंक ने कितना अमाउंट का इमरजेंसी फाइनेंसिंग अप्रूव किया है भारत के लिए? आंसर है $1 million. Which portal was launched by Ministry of Tourism on 31st March for foreigners unable to leave India because of lockdown? Answer is strandedinIndia.com. Next question. UN Security Council on March 30 adopted Resolution 2518 to ensure the safety and security of dash. Answer है safety and security of peacekeepers. Next question. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has participated in the extraordinary dash finance ministers and central bank governors meeting through video conferencing on March 30. तो इनमें से किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर्स की मीटिंग थी ये? आंसर है G20. Next question. Which of the following is the low-cost portable emergency use ventilator developed by Aerobiosis Innovations at Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad? The answer is Jeevan Light. Next question. The Vehicle Research and Development Establishment at Ahmednagar in Maharashtra has developed a full-body disinfection chamber called DASH. So what is the name of this full-body disinfection chamber? The answer is Personnel Sanitization Enclosure. Question number 11. DRDO's Ballistic Research Laboratory in Chandigarh has co-developed face protection mask for healthcare professionals handling COVID-19 patients. इस लैब का पूरा नाम क्या है? Answer is Terminal Ballistics Research Laboratory in Chandigarh. Question number 12. Naval Dockyard Dash has designed and developed its own handheld infrared-based temperature sensor for screening coronavirus at the entry gates. The answer is Mumbai. So the Naval Dockyard at Mumbai has designed its own infrared-based temperature sensor. Question number 13. The Indian Railways has developed a low-cost ventilator named Jeevan at Dash. The answer is Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala. Next question. Which state's chief minister won the PETA India's Hero to Animals Award for allocating funds to feed stray animals during the lockdown over the novel coronavirus pandemic? आंसर है ओडिशा। तो ओडिशा स्टेट के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने ये अवार्ड जीता है क्योंकि उन्होंने स्ट्रे एनिमल्स को फीड करने के लिए अलग से फंड क्रिएट किया है। व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फॉर सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट स्कीम फॉर अप्रैल टू जून 2020? इसका आंसर है 7.6%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which bank has been authorized to collect donations for the Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund, PM CARES Fund? आंसर है Indian Overseas Bank. Let us see the next question. Which mobile app was launched by the government on April 2 to help citizens assess their risk of contracting the coronavirus? Answer है Arogya Setu app. Next question. What is the government's Twitter account on corona launched recently? Answer is India Fights Corona. Central government on April 1 laid down rules for domicile in Jammu and Kashmir. Anyone who has studied for dash years and appeared in class 10 and class 12 exams in an educational institution located in the UT is a domicile. तो कितने साल तक पढ़ा होना चाहिए किसी को उसमें ताकि वो उसका domicile बन सके? 7 years. Naval personnel in Dash have developed multi-feed oxygen manifold that would help meet any emergency requirement of oxygen supply to coronavirus patients. Answer is Vishakhapatnam. Odisha Foundation Day, Utkal Divas, was observed on April 1. The state was founded in which year? Answer hai 1936. Next question. The International Olympic Committee on March 30 announced that holding of Tokyo Olympics will be in Dash 2021, July-August 2021. Members of Parliament, including union ministers, will get dash less salary, allowances and pension for a year from April 1. 30% less salary and allowances and pension. The President, Vice President, Governors of states have voluntarily decided to take a pay cut of dash for 1 year from April 1, again 30%. The government has announced temporary suspension of allocation of funds under the MP LADS for dash from April 1 for 2 years. PPE provided to medical staff treating coronavirus patients is dash protective equipment, personal protective equipment. PPE का full form है personal protective equipment. Private labs are allowed to charge dash for screening and confirmation test for COVID-19. They are allowed to charge 4,500 rupees. The Ministry of Human Resource and Development on April 8 launched Dash Government Online Training Portal for capacity building of frontline workers to combat the coronavirus outbreak. Integrated Government Online Training Portal. The HRD Ministry on April 12 launched a portal called Yukti to monitor and record initiatives in the education sector, especially related to COVID-19. Yukti का full form है Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Dash and Innovation. So T stands for, answer is technology. Next, the HRD Ministry launched the Dash campaign for crowdsourcing of ideas for improving online education ecosystem of India. The campaign will continue till April 16. Answer is Bharat Padhe Online. This is the campaign. Which mobile app has been upgraded by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to enable reporting of coronavirus cases? Swachhata MOHUA. An ICMR study has found that a COVID-19 patient can infect dash people in 30 days if preventive measures such as lockdown and social distancing are not implemented. Answer is 406. Which of the following released its South Asia Economic Focus Report on April 12? The answer is World Bank. Next question. Which former RBI governor has been included in her external advisory group on coronavirus pandemic by IMF MD Kristalina Georgieva in April 2020? Answer है Raghuram Rajan. According to the government, India accounts for dash of annual global production of hydroxychloroquine which is recommended in treatment of coronavirus. Answer is 70%. The UN Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific, ESCAP, is based at Bangkok. Next question. According to ILO's COVID-19 and World of Work report released in April, around dash Indians are at a risk of slipping into poverty due to a stringent nationwide lockdown implemented to control coronavirus. Answer है 400 million. तो 400 million भारतीय poverty में जा सकते हैं because of this nationwide lockdown. Next question. Which of the following launched COVID-19 Government Response Stringency Index to estimate the impact of lockdown measures in countries across the world? University of Oxford. Next question. The G20 Extraordinary Dash Ministers virtual meeting was held on April 10. Energy. G20 Extraordinary Energy Ministers virtual meeting. Next question. Who among the following is the President of Asian Development Bank? इसका आंसर है मासासुगु आसाकावा। Which tropical cyclone hit the South Pacific island nation Vanuatu in April 2020? Answer है Harold. Next question. The Anak Krakatau volcano erupted in which country in April? The answer is Indonesia. Which country was the world leader in international patent filings in 2019 according to World Intellectual Property Organization? China. Next. IU Device, a startup incubated at Dash, has developed a digital stethoscope. आंसर है IIT बॉम्बे। तो IU Device स्टार्टअप कहाँ पर इंक्यूबेट हुआ है? IIT बॉम्बे में। नेक्स्ट, साइंटिस्ट एट श्री चित्रा तिरुनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर मेडिकल साइंसेज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी त्रिवेंद्रम केरला हैव डिजाइन्ड द चित्रा डैश गेटवे टू हेल्प इन द फाइट अगेंस्ट COVID-19 पैंडेमिक disinfection. They have designed the Chitra disinfection gateway. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and National Chemical Laboratory, Pune have launched Oxygen Dash Unit to help in the mitigation of coronavirus outbreak. So they have launched Oxygen Enrichment Unit. A 3-man crew docked successfully at the International Space Center on April 9th. Which space capsule carried them? Answer is Soyuz. Who among the following is the chairman of Banks Board Bureau? Answer है Bhanu Pratap Sharma. Which of the following has recommended phase-wise lifting of the lockdown in its report titled Exit from the Lockdown? Answer is CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. Which of the following has won the Edison Award for Social Innovation? Answer is Tata Power. और इसके साथ ही करंट अफेयर्स क्विज का ये सेशन ख़त्म होता है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा, इट्स यूजफुल टू यू। डू हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, and for more videos do hit the bell icon so that you get update regarding the next video. Thank you.